Hit the block and sell drugs. That's exactly how it was. Take the Sprite.
What up? Welcome back to another video. We just made it to this truck shop. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video at the beach. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video at the beach. What up, bud? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Take my truck back around.
Let's go. This thing's nice. TKZ Media up in the cut.
Off top, run a nigga out his socks. Niggas talk more than
Run from the Ranger, baby. Ford Ranger.
I know this truck. I ain't no stranger. I know that truck. That's a Ford fucking Ranger.
Roll down the window, baby. Literally, you can lay some good beaters down with this bad boy.
I know that truck. That's a Ford fucking Ranger.
E6 all day, baby. Rear-wheel drive. What are you talking about?
Do they spin?
Oh, yeah.
What's up, mate? Got cake, mate. Got cheese, mate. Got bread, mate. Got cups, mate. Ooh, no fucks, mate. Give no fucks, mate.
This kind of reminds me of Gabe Farrell's truck. Guys, it's not a coincidence, I promise, but it's like we're here right now getting food from a taco truck. It's like almost a gym. Jim's here. Jim, love you, bud. God, look at the side of that thing, dude.
That's awful.
Do you roll more coal than this guy? They spin.
Si tu marido no te quiere, baby, mejor tú dale banda.
I know Tyler got a good view of that one. I know you got a good view of that one.
Yeah, I did. Thought I'm gonna rev the shit out of it. Shot a flame about 15 feet high.
When they see me off in traffic, they say Jeezy on some other shit. Send them pussy niggas.
Well, it is currently snowing. Got 6.6 Dirty Max. TKZ Media. Good God, dude. How was it? So this is the first time I've seen snow in about 18 years. Doesn't snow much down here in the south, in the north, wherever we are. All right, guys, well, we are
Back at the workshop. See, I got one hole.
making a sled, drilling a hole down in the sled so we can tie a rope through it. That way we can hook it up. I hope you guys are enjoying the snow as much as we are right now, or as much as we're about to. Snow is like once every blue moon here. Go ahead and test that bad boy out. All right, let's find a hill. We can use that guy's backyard. We found our hill. All right, guys, well, we found our hill.
Found our hill.
Well, no fucking shit.
Who's going first?
Tyler, do it, please.
You go to TKZ Media.
Oh shit.
How was it, bud?
Next time, give me a push right there.
Chase money, fuck bitches, I'm road running, catch up with me, I stack hundreds, I blow
We're gonna tie it up and haul his ass with the truck.
beating the road up, I'm running and ripping,
I feel like this thing's gonna break anymore if you start riding on bare concrete.
this a lamb truck, I'm
All right, guys, well, we made it to this park. What's going on, YouTube? We just got cleaned up for the day. Just got done playing in the snow. So now we're here.
They're gonna ask if we're open.
Got two phones, one for the plug and one for the load. I got
Hey guys, we came here to visit him and also to eat some food.
Are you the only one really working today?
Yeah, something like that. Joey's stressing out because he has a party.
Is that what, a party?
Yeah, 9 people.
Why are you stressing out? It should be a good trip.
Yeah, me and Andrew are the only ones that are like by ourselves. Like I'm by myself and Andrew's by himself. I worked the kitchen this morning though. Yo, look at this bullshit, man.
You phone case?
Huh? Dude. Yo, what do you want to drink? Coke. So first my dad was like, hey guys, we're going to delay our closing until 3. And we were like, yeah, I get to go play in the snow. He says, Jim, Andrew says I'll be ready by 11:30 to walk to work. And then I said, Andrew not here. He said, I thought you said he spent the night. In front of everyone. He said that in front of everyone. My dad was like, Mom will bartend and I'll host. I tried getting my cousin four-wheeler started, but I think I flooded it. So it says on the video you spinning, he said he wants to go tonight. They go spinning.
There's no more snow on the road.
I know, but it's black ice. What happened? Why was there traffic? Was there a crash?
It's fucking snowing, Jim. What do you fucking mean? Alright guys, so we just finished eating our meal. Right now we're with our buddy Jim. Now he's back in the videos. Fuck. It's done snowing now. Right now it's just the aftermath of it. On this rooftop.
You thought it was over, bitch!
Trade shots! Do it!
Got the hood and the choke and that's my bitch. I'm a mogul that make her a boss bitch.